All right, can everybody see? All right, we are in the kitchen down in Pawleys. It's definitely a dated house. You can tell by the wallpaper. But now this is the dining room. This is the deck area. This is the view. Absolutely gorgeous view overlooking the ocean and the marsh and the other houses across the way. And that's the living area. We're down in Pawleys Island. This house had the floors redone, and they are marvelous. They're dirty right now, but they are absolutely beautiful. Here's the other dining room. This is, I guess that's the formal dining room. I'm not sure which one. Anyway, and bathroom, office, / library. And then we have, of course, the upstairs, which won't go up right now. But we are doing, again, what we're really good at, dust removal from the floor installation. You can see all the dust that we've gotten from the walls and ceilings. And the cabinets are actually done. Now we're finishing up the kitchen and hopefully moving upstairs in the next hour or two. But this is what it looks like now. And this is all our debris that we've got sitting around. The job site gets kind of dirty. But if you can see, or if you can, see the dust all over. See that? And the windows, see that? That's what we're getting down. We're getting all that, and then after that, we clean. So, anyway, that's what we're doing now. This is Saturday, May 1st. And we are in Pawleys Island. So stay tuned, and I hope to bring you the end result.